Mr. Shah, let me come to you. He has a time horizon of 1 year. He's a senior citizen and he's looking, his stock queries are on Trent. He's been holding 50 shares at a price of 4,600 and Ultratech as well, and his holding price is 12,000 rupees. What would you suggest? Should he continue to hold for another year?
Thank you, Kanishka. So, honestly, I couldn't hear the caller investor very clearly because his voice was not coming through. But on Trent and Ultratech, if I heard the question right, if he's looking at a long-term time horizon, we have a positive coverage on both of them. Trent, I think it's basically reacting to the numbers and the commentary that we heard from the management. The second quarter numbers were a little bit below the estimates that were there in the street. We believe that the entire retail sector is going to look very strong in terms of the policy decisions that have been taken by the government. All this will translate into positivities over the next couple of quarters. So long term, hold on to Trent and Ultratech. It is one of the largest cement manufacturing company in terms of capacity. And the numbers have been quite stellar for whatever we've seen so far. And we expect the cement sector to do well.
Right, so that's the take coming in on Trent as well as Ultratech Cement. But moving on to the next query, this one is coming in from Girish from Nagpur. He too had a query coming in on Trent, so I believe that's answered. But he also has a query on Bajaj Auto. Jigar, what's your view here? He is holding 45 shares at a price of 8,700 rupees. The company.
In Bajaj Auto, the outlook is definitely very good because the chart has made inverse head and shoulder, and there was definitely a breakout above the neckline, and there are multiple bottoms formed on neckline as well, and there is a divergence also seen near the same levels of around 8,700. So one may also hold, and I would also suggest to add more at this particular level around 8,700 for the target of at least 10,000 from here, and the stop loss would be placed below 8,300 on daily closing basis.
All right, so that's the view on Bajaj Auto. But let's move on to the next query then. This is Ashish writing from Bengaluru. He's planning to invest in Varun Beverages, Gokuldas Exports and Trent. Trent has already been answered. So his query is for a period of 3 years. So do you think, Mr. Shah, it's a good time to start investing, start putting their money in Varun Beverages and Gokuldas Exports?
Varun Beverages and Kanishka, sorry, which was the second one?
Gokuldas Exports.
Well, on Gokuldas, we don't cover, so I won't be able to give you any specific. But Varun Beverages, I think the stocks saw a stellar run post the announcement of company venturing into alcohol beverages with Carlsberg, if I'm not mistaken, and I stand to be corrected if I'm wrong. This excited the market. In terms of performance, the quarter gone by was a slight miss according to us. Maybe it is because of a seasonality factor or one-off kind of a negative impact. But from a long-term point of view, we remain extremely positive on Varun Beverages. Our targets approximately are somewhere close to about 580 or 600 approximately. These are our long-term targets, Kanishka.
All right, so those are the targets for Varun Beverages. Thank you, Mr. Shah, for that view. We'll just come back to you in just a bit. But since it's the earnings season, let's put the spotlight on IndiQ, which is reported.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.